It's Happy Planner flip through time. So these are new planners from the winter release. They are launching on Monday, December 5th at 9 a.m. Pacific time on the Happy Planner website. I will have my affiliate link below. I'd really appreciate you using my link because it's part of my income and it does take time to do these flip throughs. Quite a bit of time. So I'm really excited for this winter release and all of these new products. One thing I want to tell you is that the winter release, it's always undated planners. So if you're looking for a dated planner, there are still tons and tons available from the fall release for 2023. But if you're looking for an undated planner, you're in luck because I'm flipping through 3 beautiful planners today. We have a wellness planner here, a vertical layout, and a checklist layout. So let's look at these one at a time. These are all classic sized, by the way. Let's take this off to show you this gorgeous cover. It says, life is a matter of balance. I think the cover is so pretty. This is like matte silver foil, and so is the palm tree. It's like a dark silver. It's really pretty. The discs are really cool because they're clear. Do you see? There's no sparkles or anything on them. They're pretty neat. I like them. They're going to match all your spreads, right? There's nothing they won't match. That's for sure. Okay, let's check out this beauty. So the inside cover is peach with these like swirls, not swirls, but like waves here. That's kind of cool. Wavy lines. This is a wellness layout. So it's a wellness planner, and we're going to take a look at this whole layout and everything that's in it. In every undated planner, you're going to get stickers with the months on them to date the tabs. The beauty of an undated planner is you can start at any time of the year. So say you're going on vacation in January for a whole month in Europe. I mean, you'd be so lucky. And you're like, I don't want to take my planner. I'm just going to be backpacking or bicycling or doing whatever I want. In Europe, I don't need a planner. So then you can start it in February when you get back and you won't waste any pages. So I like that. I love this name page. How pretty is that? Love these simple leaves. They look kind of soothing, don't they? I really like the colors here too. So here's what your currently page looks like. If you don't know what a Happy Planner currently page is, it's basically a page, like a landing page for your month, and lots of people do all sorts of different stuff with them. But this one is focusing on your mental health and wellness, which I think is super important. Write an encouraging note to yourself, how I'm strengthening my mind, how I'm strengthening my body, what I'm loving about myself. Very important stuff there. All right, good vibes. We have those waves again, really cool. Kind of groovy, right? So this is your monthly. It is very plain, obviously. You can use the month stickers in the front because you have enough for this as well. You've got these very small polka dots in the middle. For those of you who have been using a Happy Planner for a while, it looks the same as usual with that. Okay, so this is the wellness layout. You have your days of the week at the top. This is a vertical layout like this. And the top is intention, then nourish, then movement. And then down here you have like a graph paper area and it says take note. Reflecting on, today was, thankful for, focusing on, looking inward, daily gratitude, and loving this. So they give you the prompts here. Now, what I want to tell you is you don't have to use the prompts that are in this planner if you don't want to. It's very easy to change up because all of the letters are really small, so you could either white them out, you could put a sticker over it and write in your own categories. So don't feel like you are stuck with what's on this page. You could also take like a strip sticker and cover up this whole area if you wanted to, so that you could use the bottom for whatever you need it for, because you want to customize it to yourself. But you can also use it exactly as intended. I think that a lot of thought went into this and what they think would be good for a wellness planner. And these prompts at the bottom are really helpful. Okay, so each week is going to look the same. And then at the end of the month, you're going to get another currently page for the next month. So every month is going to be the same. Let's just take a look at the dividers. I hope there are days when you fall in love with being alive. I love that saying, and I think that we all should have those days. I hope the majority of your days are like that. One way for that to happen is to write down in your journal or in your planner just a few small things that made you happy today, even if they're the smallest things ever. Like you saw a pretty flower or you watched a show that you liked. You know what I mean? Appreciate the little things. Sorry. Okay, so now we have stripes. So it's going to alternate between the little polka dots and the little stripes in the middle. And that's been what the Happy Planner has been like for a couple years, I think. Okay, so let's take a look at all these dividers. Forever Chasing the Sun. Wow. The sky is the limit. It's entirely possible. You have no idea just how much is possible. I like that. That's foil, by the way. Hey, everything will be okay. Oh my gosh, I love that so much. I want to frame it and hang it on my wall because I need that reminder, you guys. I think a lot of us do. Enjoy every moment. There's those leaves again. Love this color. Relax, be calm, breathe. Ooh, that's kind of like, I don't know, groovy, right? Just grow with it. Feeling lucky. The universe has my back. That's foil. And then we have a note section in the back. It's a dotted lined section here. Plan a happy life. And then this is the back cover, minus that sticky thing that I didn't take off yet. That's a really pretty back cover. It kind of matches my sweater. Okay, so that is a really pretty wellness planner. I really like it. I really like it. So let's move on to the next planner I'm going to check out, which is this one. So this is a vertical layout. I don't know exactly what each of these planners is called yet, but you'll be able to find them easily on the website, I'm sure. The winter release is not as big as the fall or the spring release, so I don't think you'll have an issue. So this one is kind of Homebody inspired. It reminds me of that planner, that little mini planner that came in the Homebody bundle. Actually, they didn't call it Homebody. They call it something else that I can never remember. Happy Home or something. So I'm wondering if these are going to be kind of the same. Maybe not, actually. I'm not recognizing the dividers. All right, let's check this one out. The best time for new beginnings is now. There's a little soft gold foil right there. We have gold plastic discs on the side. And we have a little gold foil strip there with these pretty florals. I really like black and like pastels together sometimes. Really pretty. Okay, so like I said, this is a vertical layout. You're also going to get, of course, your stickers for the dates. Here is your name page. And it goes right into your currently page. Now this currently page is different from the last because it is going to be, you know, kind of blank, so you can set it up exactly how you want it to be set up, because it's not a wellness planner. It's not like a goals planner or anything like that. It is your daily planner, so you can do whatever you want there. New day, new adventures, new memories, new moments, new lessons. That's like a little gold foil there. Here's your monthly, again, same as the last planner. And then if you're not familiar with Happy Planner, this is what your vertical layout is going to look like. You have 3 blocks for each day. You can do morning, afternoon, evening. You could do me, my husband, my kids. You could do phone calls and emails and workout and meal planning, or you can do what I do, which is just sort of put it everywhere. If you're new to my channel is called Planning with Bumble for a reason, and Bumble is my dog, and she's doing what I call the Bumble Grumble. Yeah, so you might hear that in the background. Okay, so each of these weeks is going to look the same, and then we go into the next month, and your currently page will look the same. Do good, and good will come to you. I agree. And again, you're going to get the stripes for the next month. Make time for what you love. I try to, but it doesn't always work. Although I love planners, and that's my job now, so I guess I do. A cute little design there. More love, more laughter, more kindness, more smiles. Look at, that's like a pink kind of wood background. It's pretty. Give the world good energy. I'm trying, Happy Planner. Sometimes it doesn't work out, but I do my best. There may be no thing greater than a life well loved. Agreed. I don't know why I have to comment on all these quotes. Sorry. Living that happy life. The best time for new beginnings is now. That really does apply to me, kind of. Ooh, look at these florals. I love these florals so much. They're so pretty and the colors are beautiful. In every season, be grateful. True, true, very true. All of these leaves are like gold foil, see? Ooh. Beauty is in the way you hold yourself. That's right. You're darn tootin' happy. Oh my gosh, why am I saying things like that? Okay. Notes. Just lined notes, really pretty. Plan a happy life. Here's your back cover full of beautiful florals. So that's a really pretty planner, especially for someone who likes the Homebody line. You're probably going to be really into this one. Okay, so the last planner I'm going to cover in this video is the checklist layout planner. And it's dogs. And so I'm very excited about this one. I wish this was a vertical, but it's not. I mean, it's a vertical checklist, you know. By the way, I'm going to have a playlist in the description box that is Winter Happy Planner Release playlist. I have an unboxing video of everything they sent me and then flip throughs. So be sure to check that out if you're interested in the new stuff coming up. I am not the only one who got products, so there'd be other flip throughs from other creators, and they might have gotten something different than I did, but I'm not sure. So this is so cute. Okay, all I know is that this is going to be one of my covers. Whether or not I use the guts, it's going to be one of my covers. It says bring on the fun. Yes. Can we talk about the color of these discs? I love it. This is going to be my disc color for 2023 in my journal probably, because this is so cute. I don't know if we've ever had these before. I've never seen the light blue discs quite this color, and they're so pretty. I'm going to have to match my spreads to light blue the entire year, or at least, you know, somewhat. All right, so we have pets. When I looked at this, I only saw dogs. But there's cats here too. Look, there's cats. Dogs and cats. I mean, my favorite subject. Very excited. Okay, stripies on the inside cover. This tells you a little bit about the checklist layout. Here's your very cute name page because, listen, dogs and cats playing together. How perfect. So here's your currently page. It looks like the last planner. Look at this. Live, work, create, play. And all of the paw prints surrounding it. So cute. Okay, so your pages are going to look the same with the monthly, but here's the checklist layout. And I really think the checklist layout makes sense. It makes perfect sense because, as we know, I draw the lines in, especially in my big happy planner for lists and stuff. And I use checklists throughout my spread. So if you're someone who really likes to plan with the sections meaning something different on every day so that you know what to expect, then this would be the planner for you if you like, you know, if you have a lot of to-dos, because you keep them all in one place. I like it all throughout because my ADHD brain likes to have it chaotic in my planner sometimes. So I'm not going to use this particular layout, but I think it does make sense for a lot of people. So, oh, and by the way, we have the same thing with the dots in the middle, and then the next month is going to be the lines. Okay, so let's check out the dividers. All ears. That's cute. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love little dogs with big ears. They're so funny. And the colors match the discs so well. It's so exciting. So here's a page with little, I don't know, pet stuff, little pet supplies and stuff like that. Really cute. Be the person your pet thinks you are. I love that. Wake up and be excited about life. Pets are the best coworkers. Well, I definitely have a coworker. Well, actually, I have 3 coworkers who are pets. So I kind of agree with that and kind of don't. For various reasons. As we know, you're doing great. Bumble, this planner's for you. You gotta be kidding me, right? Meow. That is hilarious. I love puns. And then, of course, this is really cute, like the cover. Give the world good energy. That's so cute. Start where you are. I feel like that's my favorite dog out of the Colorful Dogs book. Or is it in the Cozy Critters one? I feel like both I don't know. But I love that dog, that little dachshund. Start where you are. That's so cute. And then the back page has little pet stuff at the top. It says noted, and then plan a happy life, more stripies in a different color. Or wait, is it the same color? Yes, sorry, my bad. And then the back cover looks like the front cover. I love that so much. Okay, so those are the 3 planners that I received. I also received a bunch of happy journals, so you'll be able to check out those videos as well. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to purchase any of these for 2023. Like I said, I'm definitely going to be using something of this and maybe something of this or maybe the whole thing. I'm not sure. I don't know yet. But the lineup is coming soon. I mean, not soon, but in December, I promise you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.